Hey ladies, so I've had a ton of people purchase the lashes with the anchors only today. So I want to do just a super quick tutorial of how I do them. If you don't know what I'm talking about, these are the anchors, these little guys that come with your lashes. So the first thing I want to show you is how to hold the anchors. You don't need special tweezers. You don't need the plastic tweezers that we sell. You can just use regular metal tweezers because honestly, you're not touching the anchor where the magnet is. You're actually only touching where the little hairs are. So I'm going to show you how you want to hold the anchor. I hold them by as close to the edge as I can. Don't mind the mascara on my fingernail. So just like this, okay? And you want the curl to be curling towards you. So that way when you come on up and go underneath, it's the same curl as your lash. See what I mean? Cool. So it's very simple. You're just gonna take your lash and set it where you want it to go. Keep in mind, I'm doing this looking into my phone, not a mirror. I do suggest using a mirror that has some, some zoom to it, some magnifying to it. So I'm just gonna set it where I want it. And then I kind of just hold it. Did you see that? It just literally traps your natural lash between it. It's amazing. So now I have one on and I immediately do this one next, okay? Grab another anchor. Boom. You can be done there. You can do just the two anchors, or I come in, I put another one in the middle sometimes. Same thing, just stick it right there. If you feel it at all, take it off and start over. You should not feel it. You shouldn't even feel like you have anything on your eyes at all. I think the best way to do it is getting this anchor as close to your lash, but make sure it's not pulling. And the same thing with this one. Another tip I have is I cut, see these lashes, I've cut the anchor off that's the closest to my tear duct. It just gives it a more natural look. Now how to take them off, you simply slide very slowly. Slide it right off. So then you can see there's one of my anchors and there's the other one. Yay! So that's it. I hope you enjoyed anchors only. I wear them like this almost every day. Sometimes I wear the magnetic liner, but I really honestly am kind of, if you know me, I'm busy and I'm always in a hurry. So for me, I can throw these on in 20 seconds. So practice with them, have fun, and I hope you love them.